Hey guys, Maddie Frost here. I am going to show you how to draw iguana for my new picture book called IGUANA BE A DRAGON. So grab some paper and something to draw with and meet me right back here and let's get started. Okay, so I've opened up my sketchbook and I'm going to start with a long rectangle shape for iguana's body. So we'll start with something like that. Great. And now I'm going to put iguana's nose in. So start at the top right corner of that rectangle and bring it down like that. So you're going to erase this line here, but I think it helps if you sort of build shapes on top of one another to build the whole character. So then I'm putting two little nostrils side by side, a smile, great, and then I'm going to put some eyes in, so two circles, like that. Great. And how about a tail? What is an iguana without a tail? Okay. Then I'm going to put in some arms. So I'm going to have iguana's arms going out like this, like, woo, I'm a dragon. So it's kind of like a really stretched out triangle. So that's one arm, and then we'll do another one over here, like that. And you can put some fingers, just little lines. Awesome. And then we need, so I'm gonna draw iguana with his iguana costume on. So I'm going to actually do the party hats next. So he's gonna look like a cat for like a second. What's going on there? And then the little pom-poms on top of the party hat. And then the stripes. Or if you wanna decorate the party hats in a different pattern, go for it. Polka dots or whatever. Okay, he has like one little spiky sort of like in between, and then we'll draw more on the side of him. Sort of just like little, I don't know, wave shapes or bananas or whatever you think they look like, shark fins. You can go all the way down. I like to make them a little bit smaller as I get towards the end of the tail. However many you can fit in is great. Then I'm going to add some legs. Now, iguana's legs are just little sticks. So super simple. That's how I like to build my characters. Then I'm going to draw the kite wings. And I'm going to actually, I'm going to use this side of his arm as a side of the kite. So just watch and I'll show you. So we're going to go up and then I'm going to bring this down like this. And I'm going to draw like a diamond shape. So the bottom part, maybe the kite is just a little bit behind his arm there. So if it looks weird, so let me try and make it a little bit more clear there. So the kite is sort of tucked behind his arm, and then we can do a little kite string like that. And you can put some bows on your kite. La 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 la. Awesome. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'll just use his arm as one of the sides. Keep it easy. Down. This. And tuck it right there. Yeah, great. Do your best. It's tricky. So we'll do kite strings like this, and that's my kite string noise. some bows. Awesome. Now the kites tie around his belly, so you can do like a little string that's been wrapped around, and maybe a little like bow tie there. So he's tied it tight around so he can pretend to be a dragon. Now let's put in some scales. So iguana scales are just the letter V. So wherever you want to put them, go for it. Yeah, I think that's good. And that is how you draw iguana from Iguana Be a Dragon. Awesome job, guys. Thanks so much for drawing with me.